All right, good afternoon, welcome back. We've got our midpoint formula here. So the midpoint formula is just asking you to find what's in the middle, or what's the average of two numbers. So, you think if I got an 80 on my first test and 100 on my second test, well, how do I find what's in the middle? What's the average of my two tests? Well, I would just add those up and divide by 2. So when you're trying to calculate what grade you need in, Earth systems or digital literacy, you can just take the score that you got previously and the score that you hope to get, divide those up, and you can find your test average. But here we're going to find the average of two numbers. We're going to do the same way. So we'll take our two x coordinates in either order, and it doesn't even matter. As long as this is x and this is x and this is y and this is y, it really does not matter even a little bit. I'm still going to label them x2 and y2, x1, y1, because it's a good habit to get into. So I will add my first problem. I'm going to take -9 plus a -9 over 2, and then my y coordinate will be 4 plus a -5 over 2. So this is -9 plus -9 and 4 plus -5. So -9 plus -9 is -18, and if I divide that by 2, I get -9. And then 4 plus -5 is -1. And then if I divide -1 by 2, I'll just get -1/2, or -0.5. So here's my first one. All right, let's look at the second one now. I'll do this in light blue. So I want to find the averages of my x's and my y's. So what's the average? Well, for x's I have -9 and 3. And then for my y's I have 4 and 4. So those are my coordinates. And now I'll simplify. -9 plus 3 is -6. And -6 divided by 2 is -3. And then 4 plus 4 is 8, divided by 2 is 4 again. And that should make sense. The number right in the middle of 4 and 4 is 4. Or if I got a 4 on my first homework and a 4 on my second homework, my average grade is going to be a 4. So that didn't change. And we got one more. Let me do one more. Then I'll call it a day in pink. So I want to find the averages of my x's. So I'll add my x values up, divide by 2. And then I want to add my y values up and divide by 2 to find the average there. -5 plus 4 over 2. So -9 plus 3 is again -6. Over 2 is -3. And then -5 plus 4 is -1 divided by 2. So that's our midpoint formula. And now you have everything you need from today's class. Let me know what else I can do to help. Thank you.